Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we talk about 3 small cap stocks from Shivanand Mankekar's portfolio 2019. Now friends, for those of you who do not know, he is one of the wealthiest private investors in India and is a highly respected name in the world of finance. He was a professor of finance at Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies and now has retired. Now friends, we have started offering channel memberships, and if you have not yet become members on the channel, please do so. This will help us raise funds for the next stage of this channel's growth in terms of us being able to create better infrastructure and in turn create better videos for you. Please watch this video to know more about these stocks. Now the first stock on the list is Indostar Capital Finance Limited, which is available at Rs 354.20 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Shivanand Mankekar in this particular company stands at 1.81%. The symbol for it is INDOSTAR. Now Indostar Capital Finance Limited is an India-based non-deposit accepting non-banking financial services company. The company is engaged in providing financing solutions to corporates and loans to small and medium enterprise borrowers. It offers vehicle finance and housing finance products. It operates 4 lines of business, which are corporate lending, SME lending, vehicle financing, and also housing finance. Now, as is evident from the chart, the company has had a terrible listing and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company has a market capitalization of 3,267.76 crores. The EPS of 40.87 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 8.67, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 37.28. The price to book ratio of 1.51 is also on the cheaper side. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding for this stock is a very strong number at 60.29%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. The 52-week high is 607.80, whereas the 52-week low is 275.80. Now the second stock on the list is Talwalkars Better Value Fitness, which is available at Rs 45.10 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Shivanand Mankekar in this particular company stands at 6.30%. The symbol for it is TALWALKARS. Now Talwalkars Better Value Fitness Limited is a holding and fitness company. The company is engaged in the health and fitness services and also gymming business. It operates approximately 130 centers under the Talwalkars brand, over 20 under Hi-Fi brand and approximately 20 under PWG and over 3 under Jorba. Its fitness centers are available at over 180 locations across India and Sri Lanka. Now this company has had a demerger recently and hence the chart may not be accurately reflective of the price movement. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 139.83 crores. The EPS of 4.72 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 9.56 when compared with the industry PE of 37.91. The price to book ratio of 0.69 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.11%, whereas the promoter holding is a disappointing number and stands at 37.86%. Also, 29.01% of the holding is pledged, which is absolutely not good news. Also, there is a total amount of 215.80 crores which is present as debt, which is also not a good sign for the company. Now the final stock on the list is Talwalkars Health Clubs Limited, which is available at Rs 115.60 and the face value for it is 10. The holding is also 6.30% and this is also part of the same demerger that we talked about in case of the previous stock. The symbol for it is TALWGYM. Now Talwalkars Health Clubs Limited is an India-based company that operates a chain of gym and fitness centers. The company provides a fitness application which allows members to view class schedule and slot availability to book classes and also to buy sessions for personal training and massage. It provides fitness training and is integrated with technology to calculate body mass index, heart rates, ideal weight, body fat, and basal metabolic rate of the members. The company operates a chain of health centers with over 150 ultra-modern gyms spanning across 80 cities in India. As we said in the previous case, the chart may not be accurately reflective because of the demerger. The market cap of the company is 358.42 crores, which means that the company is again a small cap one. The EPS of 24.47 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 4.72, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 7.07. The price to book ratio of 0.80 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.87%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a disappointing number at 37.51%. Also, 15.24% is pledged, which is a worrying sign. Also, the company has a total debt of 342.1 crore on its books, which is another worrying factor for the company. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you ever see on this channel is just a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet become sponsors in our channel, please do so by clicking on the blue join button. This will help the channel grow and will enable us to create more infrastructure for producing better content for you in the future. Have a great day ahead.